You can definitely tell that it fluffs up the old carpet runner. You can see this is a high traffic area, plus it's right in front of my hutch and the front door. So it gets a lot of traffic. Plus we have dogs. So I think this is a winner, though a lot of people did say that it does leak when it's just rusting. And I will show you that next. Right here, it does leak. I don't understand why, but yeah, see, that's my only complaint, but I gotta clean anyways my flooring after this. So I guess whatever, just make sure you have like a towel or a mat that you can rest it on, because we do have natural hardwood flooring, and of course we don't want that to get damaged. But other than that, I give it 4.5 stars. It suctions up really well. I just did that carpet, which once again goes to our garage, and so it's another high traffic area. Works great, and you can see all the nasties that came with it. And there's the dog hair, which I'll be cleaning out before I continue. So I highly recommend it for a budget-friendly alternative. I have no complaints, really.
Hello everyone, I just got the Hoover. I'm preparing to clean the carpet. What I did is I use this product, the carpet cleaner. So let's see the power of this thing. Let's prove it. Oh wow. Really powerful, you know? It's kind of noisy, it's normal, like 84 decibels, but it's really good. So I'm gonna try it, and I encourage you encourage you to prove it at home. So we recommend it here in Gomoto family. Just buy the Hoover.
If you're trying to remove the black plastic top from the dirty water tank, as stated in the instructions, by pulling the latch, there is no latch. Even the manufacturer's videos online show a latch in the back, and you pour the water out through a spout under the black top. It appears their model has changed or been updated, and there is now a quick pour spout on the side.
Dan una Shampooer. Hell yeah. I'll still not get the regular vacuum.